Hey everyone, Sydney here, and today we are going to give you a little inside peek at the 4Patriots family. We have been creating all of these wonderful products to not only help people live safe lives, but prepared lives. Not only do we love the products that we create, but we also utilize them right here in the office. So let's get on inside and welcome to 4Patriots.
All around the office, we have these Patriot Pure air purifiers that keep our air clean and smelling fresh. And this is a product that we carry, and we have it around the office because we know that it works, and that gives us pride in the things that we do.
So I'm here in the kitchen at work, and I love coming in anytime I want to make a smoothie for lunch or a snack. All I need is my Patriot Power Blender, some fresh fruit, Patriot Power Greens, and I've got a smoothie whipped up in no time.
At our office, we have a great rooftop space where I like to come up to get some fresh air and get away from my desk for a little while. So the Patriot Power Cell is super handy because I can bring it with me and keep my phone charged even though I'm away from my desk for a little while.
So there's our quick glimpse of what it's like to work at 4Patriots. As you can see, we love the products that we carry and we love utilizing them. It just makes for such a wonderful work environment.